Now, if you're frustrated with Uber and Lyft slowing down, not getting enough rides, or you want another tool in your toolbox, which we always talk about here on the Rideshare Guy, then you might be wanting to check out this app called Wingz, which is a rideshare platform for non-emergent medical transportation, or NEMT. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the Rideshare Guy. And that's right, we're going to be talking about Wingz, which is a medical transport company when it comes to rideshare that is going to deal with NEMT, or non-emergent medical transportation. And that just basically means that people who need rides to the doctor's office, dialysis, wherever they might need to go when it comes to non-emergent medical care, they might not be able to drive, they might not be able to have good transportation within a particular area, and this is where Wingz steps in and helps make a difference. So NEMT is not new. In fact, it's been around since the 60s and has been funded by state programs like Medicare and Medicaid. But where does Wingz come in? Well, Wingz started as an airport rideshare service and then transferred into NEMT. And their motto is that we care. So they care about their ride-driven when it comes to care for patients and people who need to get to the doctor's office and different places like that. Wingz operates in Georgia, Tennessee, and Florida, but they're expanding fast and they're looking for more drivers. Now you might be wondering, how is this any different from Uber or Lyft when it comes to health rides? Well, the two big things is transparency and training. With Uber and Lyft, you might just get an NEMT ride request coming in and not even know it until you get there. While Uber and Lyft drivers may not get any prep or training at all, Wingz actually requires it. From background checks to HIPAA certification, as well as CTAA certification, which is being able to transport and help people, you are going to be trained fully when it comes to being able to take NEMT rides. Basically, they want you to be prepared. Now, Wingz offers 3 levels of care too, from curb to curb, door to door, or even hand to hand. So that's a little bit of what comes to NEMT rides with Wingz. But drivers, you want to know, what is it going to pay me? Well, earnings are going to depend on your state, but you're looking at anywhere from $1 to $1.08 per mile. And the best part is, they also have upfront fares, so you're going to be able to see what you're making before you accept the ride. These rides are also scheduled in advance, so you'll be able to plan and prep for your day as well, which is part of the 3 Ps that we talk about when it comes to driving successful as a rideshare driver. All right, so let's go over some of the pros and cons for drivers. First off, a pro is you feel good about your work, you're helping other people. They're pre-scheduled rides, so there's no more aimless driving. You have standing orders equals recurring trips and stable income, no surge, transparent pay, and 24/7 human support. And you're much less likely to be replaced by self-driving cars. Now the cons is, it is hands-on, expect to help passengers door to door. There's no tipping, it's a service, not a luxury. Same-day cancellations can happen if a patient no-shows, and there's longer onboarding and credential process. So yeah, it's not like Uber and Lyft, but if you're looking for something that's a little bit more meaningful and being able to help others, well then Wingz might be right for you. Now applying to Wingz is simple, it's just not instant. And you have to be 25 in order to apply, a clean record, a newer car, and also be willing to train through their training program. So if this sounds good to you and you're interested in driving, if they're active in your state or if they're expanding into the state that you are in, you can always apply at wingz.com. So for my thoughts on this, if you are definitely interested in something like this to be able to earn more and be able to plan your day when it comes to NEMT rides, if you're looking for training and also to be able to help you on possible Uber and Lyft rides that you have to deal with when it comes to these type of non-medical transport rides, it's definitely going to be a one-up for you. And it's just more tools in the tool belt. As we say, it's always good to have more tools. So if Uber and Lyft are slow, Wingz, you can plan your shift around and you will be able to still create money, as well as, you get that little benefit of helping somebody who needs help, whether it's transport to the doctors, back home, to dialysis, to whatever it might be where they're not able to get there. So now I want to know what you think. Would you be taking NEMT rides? Are you interested? Comment below, let us know. And with that being said, make sure you check out this video right here. We'll see you guys in the next one.